Guys, your boy people here. We got some Roblox dudes. I need to complete them. I try going in the middle. Yun. They're always fun to talk about. This. Okay, this is. I know this is look unstable. It is. So we got this dude, shiny. Get this, shiny too. What I do? Okay. Oh, this is two. Ayun. These two or these three is so shiny. Okay. I'm going to show you all them weapons. Okay, we got this setting from this speed, I think. Okay, this one, yeah, match color. This one, definitely this. Yeah, definitely this. So definitely using this eyeball. You never get it, dude. His eyeball. Okay, let's go. So, there's a shield and a sword. Yeah, definitely this sword. Hey, come back. Then, boom, bam, abang, boom, abang, bam. The last one is the shield. There's another one, but that's a villager. Mali.
Supply diva, pero ngayon, Asia's vocal supreme. Please welcome Katrina Velarde.
I'm going to get it now.
Great, Katrina. Okay, una, ano ang pakiramdam? Sabi mo, nagsimula kang bilang supply diva, pero ngayon, ibang-iba na ang lahat para sa iyo.
Siguro humble beginnings yung supply diva days kasi from singing lang sa bahay-bahay. Ngayon, nakakapag-perform na ako with amazing artists ng Pilipinas.
Oh, yes. Definitely bullying. Okay, this one I presented. I know there's this one, yeah, you seen that. And this last, you see this one? I don't find the short, and you see there's no arm, so that's the get. So you don't put the color this.
Congratulations and welcome, so I can see your voice. Round one. Everybody sit. Let's see the secret sauce.
Like and subscribe.
The birds and the beer. Sorry na.
Like and subscribe if you want to see more. You want to see more.
Catering, Zeta Jones.
What is
Kalyeng,
You don't move that. Really? Oh, I'm filming. Well, good.
Nasa.
I'm going. Oh.
Good evening sa mga secret songers natin. Kayo kami. O yan. Katrina, unang tingin, sino ang pwedeng singer para sa'yo?
Sa tingin ko, ang singer ay si Sorry na, diba?
Okay, I'm going to go live.
Bakit?
Parang siya kasi yung
But
pinaka-poker face.
she's going like and
Siguro
subscribe.
si The Birds and the Beer.
I'm very
Okay.
sorry.
O kaya, itulong mo, sino pwedeng singer? Si Donato.
Ako tingin ko, ang hindi singer diyan, etong si Catering, si
Like and
kasi
subscribe.
kamukha niya yung
My eyes.
teacher ko sa geometry, si Mrs.
This one is
Bartolome.
used to be
Hindi
lighting
sumakat
the
si Mrs. Bartolome,
left.
kamukhang
And
kamukha
this
niya. At kung
glass
papansin mo
used to
yung
be
paa niya,
light.
parang
Like
paa ni
put
Mike
on the
Tyson.
battery.
Buang klase. Mawawala sa character.
Oh, Chad.
Para sa akin, ang singer
Like
sa
and
feeling ko
subscribe
si
for
Alvin
more
David.
Roblox
Tama.
toys.
Kasi itsura niya parang sumasali sa mga singing contest noon. Nakakaganyan.
I don't want to do this, guys.
Kasi baka manalo, baka manalo. Ang sound natin ay
Like and
everybody
subscribe.
sing. Meaning,